What's up guys, it's Maryam here in my studio, and today I'm going to be remaking a YouTuber's Fenty Beauty DIY. Her name goes by Mocha, Princessca. So while I'm showing you my version, I will have her version up here as I do this, and I will have her YouTube down in the description down below. Yeah, so first you will need shea butter. This is homemade from yeah, so it's homemade from someone who lives in my state. So he brought it to me. I already had this stuff on my hand, but yeah. And then you also need I'm using eyeshadow, but a lot of people is using highlighter. So that's what she's using, a highlighter, and I am using whatever that's in my house. So I have this well pigmented eyeshadow that's about like a golden color. So I'm using this side. I already have some pre-made, but I'm going to make some more as I go on with this video. So yeah, so we're going to start. So we have is the shea butter. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my hand, but if you have something to actually scoop it with, you could do that. So take my hand. Excuse me. Okay. Take it out. Put it on whatever surface you're using. So there, and then you're going to take whatever you have, but I'm using this, and then I'm going to scrape it out. Okay, try to make it so you can see. Alright, so let's take that side, scrape it. On top, make sure you get all that you can get. Okay, so I think that should be enough. Then take your finger, or if you have something to mix it with, and mix it together. Get the gunks out. Okay, so it looks pretty much the same. Okay, so we don't need that much. So I already have some on this hand, so we're just gonna wipe these off. Okay, so see here ish, but you can definitely see it on there. So rub it in. Yep, I don't have the shirt, so I can't do that iconic shoulder look that everyone talks about when she like rubs it. I mean, I could, but I'm not. No, I'm not gonna do it. I don't have that shirt. Yeah, so basically that's how you do it. If I did it wrong or not, but these are the two that I came up with, and I'm gonna put it inside of this little container. Alright guys, that was the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Body Lover DIY. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And become an elephant. And yeah, that about sums it up. I'll be back with more videos. I will be doing a painting video right after this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in that one. And yeah.
That way for the Rihanna's Fenty Beauty Body Lover. Then why can't I talk? My eye is irritating me right now, that's why. Alright guys, so that's the DIY for the Fenty Beauty Body Lover. And if you guys enjoyed doing that, what? Alright guys, that was the Fenty Beauty DIY Body Lover. And if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you do a big thumb. I can't talk.